So here we have a J-frame form of Mishkir tours. It has some labels like enter name and number of passengers, discount, total. We have 3 radio buttons of air, rail and road. We have one combo box to choose the destination and one checkbox to select the discount option. So let's get started with the coding. So the first is the string name. The user who is going to use this form needs to enter the name here. So we retrieve his name by using string name jtextfield1.get. Now we'll start our operations. We first define an integer called total, and we define its value as 0 because we don't know the value of total, how the consumer is going to spend upon his journey. We need to find the total. So for now it is going to be 0. Then the discount is also going to be 0 because we need to find the discount value. The first integer we are going to define is number of passengers. As the user is going to enter the number of passengers, so there's int passengers, integer.parseInt. Integer.parseInt is used to convert the string data type to the integer data type because the text field only includes the string data type. So integer.parseInt will help us to convert it into integer data type. So it is retrieved from jtextfield2. As you can see, it is jtextfield2. Then we move on to the radio button. We have a air, rail and road radio button. The user is going to select one as a mean of transport for his journey, for his or her journey. So I am going to show you the coding only of air, and you can do the same with the rail and road. So for the air, if JRadioButton1 dot is selected, it is used to select the radio button, and there is a if condition. What if the radio button 1, that is the air, is selected? If the combo box, then we have a nested if because we are going to enter many conditions under the main if. The first is if jcombobox1 dot get selected index is equals to 0. The first command we used it for the jcombobox1, so the user can select from the combo box which destination he or she is going. So if the 0 means the first value of the jcombobox1 is selected, then the 4000 will add to the user total. Then the total will become 0. That is total is equals to total. Total is we have defined earlier, that is 0 plus 4000, that is the 4000 amount. Else, as the user can go to only one place, so we define 4 places. We have defined 4 places, so we use else because the user is going to use only one place. Then we use else if jcombobox1 dot get selected index is equals to 1. 1 is for the second item in the combo box. If the second item in the combo box is selected, then the total is going to be 0. That is total is equals to 0 plus 6000. 0 as we have defined earlier. Then the total will become 6000. We again use else because I have told you earlier that he or she can select only one item, one place to go. So then if combo box 1 get selected index 2, and if there's a 2, that is the third item in the combo box, then his total is going to be 4500, as same as the fourth item, that is the third selection. The total is going to be 2500. Then after such calculation of total, we need to multiply the number of passengers into the amount of one ticket we got from the last command. So we write a command like 20 is equal to total is equals to total multiplied by the number of passengers. So the total amount we got from the above interface, we can multiply it by the number of passengers, and it can give you the grand total. So, and there's also you can see a discount option. So if a person can select the off-season checkbox, so what will happen if the checkbox 1 dot is selected, then the discount is going to be applied, which is the 15% of the total value, which is the 15% of the total value. Then discount is going to be discount is equals to total, where we got from this total, and multiplied by 15 divided by 100, that is the 15% of the total. After we get this 15% of the total, we'll keep that aside and we'll operate the discount on the total. We subtract the discount from the total. For that we need to issue the one total. Total is equals to total minus total multiplied by 15 divided by 100, or you can simply use total minus, or you can simply use a total minus discount, and then we finally going to display our all the values, that is the discount and the total, onto the main two text fields, that is the discount and the total text field. And that's it for the coding. It is only for the air. You can do the similar for the rail and the road. So we are going to run that. Let's press shift plus F6 to run it. It's going to run. Yes. And here we have our form. We'll just enter the name, number of passengers 5. We selected air because we have not put coding into the rail and road. We select Udaipur, which is the second option in the list, off season, and then calculate. And you can see that the total amount and the discount is calculated. That's it.